So we did a lot of work in this section. So what we did was to make some improvements on our movie app. So we had something like this, and we transform it into something that's more elaborate and visually pleasing, I hope. So along the way, we learned a few new topics, such as how to add dependencies in our Gradle. In this case, we added the dependency, the coil dependency, which is a library that allows us to get images from the internet easily without having to worry about the hassle behind getting images from the internet and load them onto our apps. We learn how to use data classes that model after, in this case, a movie object, and we'll learn how to structure even further our application, as well as a little bit of animation, such as what to expand or contract a certain view. Now, hopefully you can see as a full picture how to start from nothing, right? You just have a piece of data, a very rudimentary list of just strings, and then you put together a decent UI, decent row, as you can see here, with more information, and get images and navigate to a different screen or different composable passing data and so forth. So these are literally the basis of any application you will ever create, really. The complexity usually comes with the user interface of things that you want to include, right? But the basics of an application is getting data and use that data to show something pleasing to the eye and useful to your users, okay? And so you have those basics done at this point. So I would like you to take this application and think about other things you can add to it, or even branch out, finding other data points, finding other data sets, so that you can create some sort of hierarchy such as this, right? An application that resembles something like this. And I will see you next time.